How can they limit the resume builder? Well, they can because they're federal government. And that's what they've done. And I'm going to tell you how. Did you know that the federal resume, the same one you've been told for years, right here on this channel, that should be long and detailed and full of accomplishments, has been capped to 2 pages? That's right, 2 pages. It doesn't matter what grade level you are, no matter how much experience you have, no matter whether you upload or build it on USA resumes directly in the resume builder, it's only going to be accepted for 2 pages. And today I'm going to explain how they do it, how they can. This is the biggest question that I heard. How can they do it? I wondered myself. I said, they can't do it. How can the system limit output if the character boxes still exist and are the same? Here's how they do it. USAJOBS is switching to an automatic page rendering system, which will auto format, just AI, your resume into a fixed layout. The preview will show the page count in real time. If you go past 2 pages, a warning appears. You cannot submit the application until you reduce the content, which is why you got to be prepared. The margins, font size, and spacing become locked. No shrinking, no tricks, no clear lettering. The builder will force truncation. If your entries exceed the allowed space, you must shorten them before you can finalize the resume. So yes, longer resume building era is over. Done. Dead. Why is OPM doing this? Why? But why, Lisa? Why? Because OPM has been very clear. They're overwhelmed. They're overwhelmed with long resumes. Just a fact. Private sector applicants give up when they see the federal government format. The government wants faster review times. It's all about that fraud, waste, and abuse. They want consistency. Shrink it down in the resume length. They're shifting from resume-driven hiring to asset-driven hiring. Do you get that? Asset-driven hiring. The AI systems that they're currently using can't easily, readily, quickly take apart the old resume format. So this move is not based on what's best for applicants. Come on. It's based on what is most efficient for HR and equitable for applicants. What does this mean for you? Of course, it's all about you. Yes, yes, that's what this channel is about. And this is the most important part for you. Here's what it means. No more 5 to 10 page narratives. You cannot rely on storytelling writing. Just can't do it. You must prioritize only essential experience. This is a major shift from everything. Your wording must capture maximum impact in a minimal little space. You will need to rely more on assessments, questionnaires, occupational experience quizzes, those things that are outside after the resume. And once you got to get that far, accomplishments tied to keywords. We're still using keywords. This means you're going to need to learn how to condense, how to shrink large blocks of information because competition resets. People who use longer resumes as an advantage have lost it. Why is this major shift a mindset shift? For the first time ever, the federal government becomes. This is a major mindset shift. For the first time ever, the federal government resume becomes short, concise, selective, more private sector in length, but still federal in content, which means applicants who know how to condense properly will win. Applicants who know how to bring it down will win. Applicants who keep on writing fluffy private sector resumes will lose. This is the moment, people, smart people, where strategy becomes essential. Time is now because there's still opportunities. And that's what I have for today. Remember, USAJOBS does not reward guessing. It rewards preparation. Your skills matter. Your experience still matters. And your future is still wide open. This is the biggest change in federal hiring in over 20 years. And if you need to understand the implications now, I'm going to create a folder on my channel, OPM 2-page resume 2025, something like that. You'll see it, which will be available to you as I continue to fill with this information. Within that folder, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to rewrite your resume into a federal compliant 2-page format. I'm going to tell you what stays, what needs to get cut, and what HR will now focus on. And especially how to maintain your competitiveness when forced into 2 pages. It's a big change. And I'm going to give you new strategies that applicants must adopt in order to stand out. It's a hack. I got a hack for you. I certainly do. Worksheets will also be created, and you'll see them within the video in the descriptions as I create them. Make your next move a smart one. If this video helped you, and it did, come on, like the video, subscribe, because more guidance is coming soon. Check the folder and put your subscription bell on.